Now notice all these yellow signs. This first one says 40, meaning 40 kilometers an hour into the turn. The checkerboard suggests that it's a sharp left turn, and the flashing light reinforces it. And see those arrows pointing. So make sure you always respect these signs. Now we're on the straightaway. 50 begins. And this yellow sign to the right is just telling you that you're going into a bend. So the idea is to look ahead so you can see all these things and then respond to it in time. Now here another set of signs. This one to the right suggests it's a sharp right turn, and the speed at which you should be going into the turn is 30. Right. And again you have the flashing amber over the checkerboard pointing to the right, so it's a sharp right. Then you pick the speed up because you're on the straightaway.